failed combine after combine, failing every fucking challenge. Going to fucking make it. Nobody's working as hard as me around me. Losing a shit ton of money. Some people don't believe, right? Tear this shit up. I'm so fucking hungry. As you guys can see, today at 5 in the morning, I had my pre-market analysis. I saw this resting liquidity above here. Oh man, it's been a rough start to the day. We did not have breakfast today. I am starving. It's currently 2 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm fucking starving. We about to get on that right now, but I just want to tell you guys, today we had an amazing morning when it came to the trading. I made some calls on my Discord. I did not trade like I told you guys. I'm trying to stay away from the prop firms. I'm trying to stay away from all that to get my mental right. I'm working on my basics, working on my systems. I called out a trade for the people in the Discord. I mean, I'm not even trying to say like I called it for the people in the Discord. I'm just like putting out my bias for the day. And it was a perfect trade, 100 points. And my boy Hector, he wrote that shit down to like the lows of last week, which was my initial bias, and ended up playing out perfectly. It was a great trade. I'll recap on that later down the video. But besides that, I had a lot of stuff to do at home. I was taking care of my little boy, and I couldn't manage my time. I didn't have breakfast. I didn't do none of that shit that I normally do. I fell out of my routine a little bit, but there's no excuse, right? Right now, we about to make some lunch, work on my content, do a lot of stuff. Yesterday from work, I'm exhausted. My body is still sore, bro. Like, I worked out yesterday as well, but like my arms are still numb. Like, I feel fucking numb. And that was one of the main reasons that I skipped my breakfast, because I didn't even have like no appetite. Like I'm just so fucking exhausted, so numb. But I mean, we just keep on pushing, right? Let's get to it. I want to make some food because I'm so hungry, and then get to work on my content, keep back testing, and just keep the day going, keep the needle moving. Today is my last day of work. I'm excited. I get a boost of energy off of that because I get to rest from work and work on my shit. But yeah, let's get to cooking because I'm fucking starving. Some yogurt with some fruit. Man, I'm about to tear this shit up. I'm so fucking hungry. As you guys can see, today at 5 in the morning, I had my pre-market analysis. I saw this resting liquidity above here. Price hadn't tapped into it yet. Market open, my boy Greg had it set up as well. Market open came in the 15-minute time frame. We broke through these highs. This was the perfect entry right here. As soon as we broke through these highs, and we started reversing from that. And take profit would have been at 21,643, making it a 100-point trade. And smooth like butter, man. Y'all can see the results. My boy Hector caught the trade. He first initially got stopped out. Y'all can see, ended up having a great trade overall. Reaching for the lows of the previous days. As you guys can see here, I was looking for a short position to target last week's lows. Initially, I was looking for last week's lows, but I would have preferred a 1 or 2. That's how you can make your own money. If you're risking 50 points, you can make 100 points. That's a pretty much great trade. But yeah, my boy Hector took the trade all the way to the last week's lows, ended up coming out on profit. It was a great start to the trading week. Yes, sir. You already know what we about to do. About to hit the workout. I had to take off the LED lights because they were just fucking with my vibe, right? They just looked all fucking... They were just falling off. I mean, had to take them off. But yeah, right now, I'm about to hit the workout to finish the night strong. After that, I'm going to go in a deep 1 hour to 2 hour work session, working on more of my content. Yeah, right now, after I do my workout, hit the shower, I am not skipping dinner, but I'm just going to have like some fruits and a yogurt. I want to get some work done. It's the end of my work day. It's the end of my work week. But these next 2 days is grind, right? We got to keep doing the things people won't fucking do, right? We got to keep showing up every day. I got to sacrifice every moment. If I want to have a different life in 5 years than what I have now, it starts today, right? 2020 was 5 years ago. I could be comfortable. I got a home. I got a good car. And I mean, shit, I got a nice paying job, right? No, I don't give a fuck about those things. I want to prolong. I want to put myself 10 steps, 20 steps ahead of people around me. I want to be the best version of myself. I want that freedom, bro. I want to be whipping in the vet, bro. Fuck being humble. Like, yes, sometimes I just gotta be more arrogant. I wanna be whipping in a vet, making thousands of dollars trading, just sitting at home, doing what I fucking wanna do, not rushing to work, not doing what other people tell me, right? Not having to show up to a job. If I wanna go on vacation whenever the fuck I want to and not come back home, shit, trading's gonna give me that freedom, right? But it starts now. It starts with me sacrificing everything, creating the content. Everything is going to push me further and further. I got a whole plan, bro. I just gotta keep executing. Like I said, 2025 is a year where I fucking lock in day in and day out and keep pushing and keep executing, right? We're going to create higher highs. We're going to keep elevating. We're not going to stay right here. We're going to keep pushing. We're on an uptrend. We're going to keep elevating every day. I'm tired from yesterday. I'm tired from work. I mean, my body's tired. My mind knows what we gotta do, right? I keep myself accountable because the mind controls the body. I gotta tell myself I gotta show up and I gotta do it. There's no negotiating, just action. Let's get to it. Finish that shit. I'm exhausted, a little pump. I'm trying to grow my fucking forearms too. I'm tired, but we got it done. It's the hardest part of my day. I don't want to come home after a long day of work and do these things, right? But like I said, I'm showing you guys how I keep myself accountable, how I master my mindset, how I master my mind, and elevate into the next best version of myself, right? Not everybody wants to do this, trust me. I really don't want to fucking do this, but I know it's what it takes to make me the best version of myself and to make me a more disciplined person that is going to dominate the charts, that is going to become a profitable trader and a better version of himself, right? This is what it fucking takes. Discipline and accountability. I'm showing up every day and part of me thinks like it's too repetitive showing the same thing every day, but bro, this is my daily life. This is what's going to take me into the next level, right? I do this every day. I've been doing this for a minute now. I see the change, and trust me, it's slow. The grind is so fucking slow. Like, my arms hurt, and I feel like as much pain as I put them through, they should be bigger. My chest should be bigger. My abs should be popping out because my ab routine is crazy. But I need to keep doing it day in and day out, right? It's a fucking marathon. It's a grind. We gotta show up. This is what it fucking takes. It's what it takes. Right now, it doesn't feel... Honestly, my honest emotions right now, my honest opinions right now, it's like, it doesn't feel like it's taking me nowhere. It doesn't feel like I'm moving the fucking needle. It doesn't feel like I'm doing anything, right? Part of me just wants to get home, shower, and lay down. I'm fucking exhausted. I'm tired. But I know that it's a small fucking... I know it's small steps that are going to take me higher and higher. I'm going to be great. I'm going to be this man that I've described. I'm going to be the man that I envision. And that version of me doesn't take any fucking days off. No fucking days off. He stays accountable and shows up. It's demoralizing, trust me. I don't work tomorrow. I got 2 days off. It's been a crazy week at work. I can really just slack off, right? Lay down. Go out with friends. Just fuck around. Part of me wants to do that. I want to go play basketball with my boys. I want to do the same things I used to do. But it takes sacrifice. I'm not going to reach the level that I want to reach living my old life. I'm not carrying those old emotions into this new chapter of my life. I'm not carrying those old bad traits into this better version of me. Once I make it, it's all going to be worth it. Once I fucking make it, it's all going to be worth it. This is the journey. This is the journal of my fucking development. I'm telling you guys, I might sound delusional, but I'm going to fucking make it. Nobody's working as hard as me around me. And that keeps me fucking pushing. Because people might call me crazy. People might say I'm delusional because I'm doing this shit every fucking day. And there's no progress. Trust me. Failed combine after combine, failing every fucking challenge, losing a shit ton of money. Some people don't believe, right? There's only a few that I know really believe in me. But I've been doubted all my life. Trust me, like, the odds been stacked against me for a minute, bro. All the things I've been through, I don't really want to speak on those things because it's more personal stuff that, I mean, I just don't really want to talk about that at the moment. Time will tell, but, like, bro, I've been counted out so many times by the people I love the most, and it's like people who don't even know me or don't even take the time to get to know me talking shit really doesn't affect me, right? I got a chip on my shoulder since I was young, and I gotta prove a lot of people wrong, and I will.